In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Outlook. First, let's start from your Asana project. You'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a button labeled Customize. This is your gateway to making all sorts of integrations and customizations within your project. So go ahead and click on it to get started. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Apps. By clicking on this, you're opening up a plethora of tools that you can seamlessly integrate with your Asana project to enhance functionality and streamline your workflow. Now, let's move forward by selecting Add. This is where you'll be prompted to search for the specific app you're interested in integrating. In this instance, we're focusing on Outlook, so go ahead and type Outlook into the search bar. At this point, you'll see 3 different Outlook apps available for integration: Outlook Email, Outlook Add-in, and Outlook Calendar. Each of these serves a unique function, and you can click on each one to learn more about what they specifically offer. This is a great opportunity to match the app capabilities with your particular needs. Once you've made your decision on which Outlook app you would like to integrate, all that's left to do is click Add to Project. This will initiate the connection process. Simply follow the prompts that guide you through completing the connection, and just like that, you're all set up. Remember, integrating Asana with Outlook can significantly boost your productivity by allowing seamless management of tasks and appointments. Whether you need email integration, enhanced calendar capabilities, or an add-in for extra functionality within your Outlook interface, the choice is yours. Exploring these integration options can really streamline your workflow and make your project management significantly more efficient. This simple yet powerful integration can make a world of difference in how you navigate your daily work tasks and communication efforts. Once integrated, you'll be able to keep track of deadlines, meetings, and updates without constantly switching between applications. So, take advantage of these tools to keep everything organized and within arm's reach. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out other useful integrations that can further enhance your Asana experience. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance with your setup. Happy project managing!